friends, I hope you're doing so well today. My name is Abiodun Mustafa. Welcome to another amazing moment where we'll be getting insight and wisdom from the book of Proverbs. Today is day 28. We have had amazing lessons from Proverbs chapter 1, day 1 to day 27. Today is day 28, and I will be sharing another amazing insight with you from the book of Proverbs. Today we'll look at Proverbs chapter 28. We'll look at verse 22. It says, selfish people are in such a hurry to get rich that they do not know when poverty is about to strike. Now, it talks about selfish people. It does not say wise people. Now, you must understand that a lot of the times, the eagerness that is always wanting you to get rich quick, always wanting you to put your money into things, is because of your selfishness. And you do not understand that because you want to acquire so much without really taking time to invest wisdom to understand processes, systems, how things work, is the reason why you end up losing your money lots of the time. So it takes selfishness, the acquisition, to just own to yourself without willing to put in the real effort to follow the system to prosper financially, is why you will lose your money. So a lot of systems right now, we're at the time of the year where a lot of things will be coming out. People know there's that eagerness to make so much money because you want to make ends meet towards this period, and then they want to just introduce certain systems to you. But you do not know, because of your selfishness is the reason why you would end up even losing your money. Now, this is also very essential. I want to talk about one more verse from this book, which I think would so help you. Now, this is verse 24, and this is actually one statement that maybe is controversial. It says in Proverbs 28 in verse 24, he said, anyone who thinks it isn't wrong to steal from his parents is no better than a common thief. So we see a lot of people that say, oh, it's my parents' money. Oh, it's my husband's money. Oh, it's my wife's money. I can always pick it up and spend. He says, when you do that, when you steal from your parents, you steal from a family member, assuming, oh, whatever belongs to them belongs to you. He said, you are not different from a common thief. You hear that? So when that's before you pick up things by people, make sure you inform them before you take their things. That's the way to really live. So there's no difference between you who steal from your parents and the guy who carries a gun. The only difference is that the one who carries a gun will end up in the national prison when he's caught, but you who steal from other people, God is watching you. So make sure you begin to understand that these things are really essential. It begins to create trueness, honesty, and it builds trust when you do such a thing. I hope this really blessed you today, and I hope you got so much lesson from the book of Proverbs chapter 18. Watch out here again tomorrow as I begin to share another insight from the book of Proverbs chapter 29. Keep being exceptional. Do well to like this video, do well to subscribe, and also do well to share this video with your friends. Cheers.